Hello guys, yeah, this is a Tiger generator, as you can see. So this generator has an electrical issue, as you can see. So it refuses to supply light into the house. So let's check it out. Let's put it on the gen and let's see. As you can see, there's no light at the bulb. So what could be the cause? So let's lose out the tank and see what's the cause of not bringing lights. So as you can see, me starting the gen, you can see the gen is very cool. Even if the gen brings lights, you will know from the sound of the generator. You see, so let's lose the tank and see what's going on out here. See, so close the tank, close the tank. Also close the tank, see. Close the tank. If you find this video helpful, please kindly subscribe to the channel. As you can see, wow. Come closer. So firstly, we need to check if this clip is well inserted. As you can see, is well inserted. So what next? Let's check out this capacitor and see if it's still okay. Checking this out, as you can see, there's no sign from the capacitor that is bad, but this is how we're gonna know. So let's put on this gen and remove this wire. So there should be a spark from this edge of this place to know if this current, if this capacitor is still okay, as you can see. So let me put on the gen or see again. As you can see, there's no spark and the sound of the generator does not change. So that tells you this capacitor is bad. So we're gonna replace this. So let's bring another capacitor for us to test and see. So we've got a new capacitor which is 35 UF, 30 UF rather. As you can see, 30 UF chroma. So we're gonna insert one out of this, as you can see. So we're gonna put on the gen and check out we're checking the sound and the what and the spark from here. So that's how to know if supply light. So let's check it out. So let's put it on and see. You can see when putting this wire, the sound of the generator change. When removing it change. That tells you that this capacitor is good. So as you can see, so that's how to know if the capacitor is bad. So let's check it out from the source at the bulb and see whether it's bringing light from the bulb. So we're gonna insert this tank back for us to see. So put on the gen and see. So as you can see, if you find this video helpful, please kindly subscribe to our channel. So tighten this back. Tighten this back. Where the complete bolts, okay. Make sure it's well tight. Tighten very well, as you can see. So if you have any questions, please kindly come to my comment below. No. So right now I'm gonna put on this gen right now for us to see if it supplies light. So put on the gen now. So that's how to replace the capacitor for a Tiger generator. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel. We love you.